If you're trying to save consistently for real-life goals without confusing apps or messy spreadsheets, you're in the right place. Saving money doesn't have to feel overwhelming or hard to stick to. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up and use your sinking funds tracker in Google Sheets, step by step. You'll learn how each section works. From setting up your funds and goals, to logging contributions, tracking progress, and seeing your savings grow automatically in the goal summary cards. For this demo, we'll be using the light mode version of the template. You can also adjust the zoom level in Google Sheets at any time to fit your screen and make the text easier to read. Try a few settings to find what works best for you. If you haven't grabbed your template yet, you'll find the link in the description below. A dark mode version of the template is also available if you prefer that style. You can also use the chapter timestamps to jump to any section of the tutorial at any time. Alright, let's get started, beginning with the README tab. The README tab is your starting point for getting the most out of your savings goals template. Think of it as your quick reference guide. Here, you'll find important details about spreadsheet access and protected tabs. A link to create a fresh copy of the template anytime you need a clean version. Step-by-step instructions with examples and screenshots. And a direct link to this video tutorial. Anytime you're unsure what to enter or how sinking funds work, come back here for guidance. Before you start using the template, you'll notice the default currency is set to dollars. You can easily change this to any currency that applies to you, and the tracker will update automatically. Once you're familiar with the template, you can hide this tab to keep your workspace clean. To hide, right-click the tab name and select Hide Sheet. You can always unhide it later by clicking the three-bar menu, selecting README, and making it visible again if you need a refresher. Now, let's move on to the Sinking Funds tab, where you'll set up your savings goals and organize each fund you're working toward. Sinking funds sit at the intersection of budgeting and wealth building. They're a simple but powerful way to plan for known future expenses by saving gradually over time. They allow you to break big costs into small, manageable monthly amounts. Avoid budget shocks and last-minute stress. And spend confidently when the time comes, without guilt or debt. With sinking funds, you decide what you're saving for, how much you need, and how fast you want to reach each goal. In the planning section, you can create and track up to 15 sinking funds. For each fund, simply enter a goal name. Add the total goal amount. Set your monthly contribution, which is the amount you plan to save each month. And include a starting balance if you already have savings. In the contributions section, each time you save, add a new row. Enter the date or double-click to use the pop-up calendar. Select the goal. And enter the amount saved. You can log up to 2,500 contributions. As you add new entries, the tracker automatically updates your progress, status, and goal summary cards, no manual calculations needed. In the progress section, you'll see for each goal the amount saved so far, remaining balance, percentage completed, estimated completion date, and months left to reach your goal. This makes it easy to celebrate wins and adjust slower goals when needed. Each fund is automatically assigned a status based on progress and timing, so you can instantly see what's going well and what needs attention. There are 5 statuses. Done when you've reached your goal. You can stop contributing and spend the money when needed. On track when you're saving at the right pace. If the goal deadline is near or past, and you've saved at least 90% of the target. Behind when you're making progress, but contributions are slower than planned, usually between 70% to 90% of where they should be. At risk when it is unlikely to finish on time. You may want to increase contributions, adjust the amount, or extend the timeline. And pending when it is not active yet. No action is required unless you want to start contributing sooner. Each goal also includes a visual summary card showing your total goal amount, current progress and status, target completion date, and saved versus the remaining balance. These are perfect for quick check-ins and staying motivated. We recommend starting with 3 to 5 goals. Use realistic monthly amounts. Review progress once a month. Pause low-priority goals if money gets tight. Increase contributions as income grows. Even saving just $20 to $50 per month can build powerful momentum over time. And that's it. Your sinking funds tracker is now set up to help you plan for future expenses, save consistently, and reach your goals with clarity and confidence, all in one clean, easy-to-use spreadsheet. You're now ready to break big costs into manageable savings, avoid financial surprises, and feel more in control of your money without stress or overwhelm. If you'd like to revisit any section, you can use the YouTube chapters below or head back to the README tab inside your spreadsheet for a quick refresher anytime. If you're ready to tackle debt alongside your savings goals, be sure to check out the Debt Payoff Calculator, a smart, easy-to-use system that helps you choose the best payoff strategy and track your journey to becoming debt-free with confidence. We hope this sinking funds tracker helps you feel clearer, calmer, and more confident about saving. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help, and if you haven't grabbed your copy yet, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter saving and stress-free financial planning.